Good morning, trading community. This is my recap for Friday, September 7th. Today I took two trades. Actually three trades. Two were winners, small winners. One was a small loser. So net, I still went. I came out not making money, but today I had a pretty good or pretty big revelation with regards to just analyzing stock prices, price action, and more importantly, reading the tape. Today was the first day that I guess you could say I was a little bit more relaxed. It wasn't so much looking at the candles on the charts. It was taking a look at seeing what the price action was on the tape. And this is something that I got from Mike Bellafiore's book, One Good Trade. Um, it's something that I hadn't reviewed at all in the past. It was just a matter of recognizing patterns on the charts and seeing what could potentially be a good long, what could be a good short with resistance, support, etc. But it's as if there was just like another chamber that was open to see, what could potentially be going on with the price action and where the stock's going to be going. Perhaps maybe before it even happens, if you see a flood of orders in the on the level two on the tape, obviously you're going to be wanting to do one thing over another. So what happened at the open? This was around 9:35 roughly or so. I took it long on AMD, but because of my amateur ass, I didn't hold it long enough, and I pretty much scaled out for a small profit. I mean, I was actually positive for the day. It was a good trade, but as you can see, I should have held it for much longer because, I mean, but if I'm being honest with myself, I got out when I did. I'm not a professional like Andrew here is. He could survive these pullbacks and still just be completely fine. I mean, even though it was touching one of those moving averages, I myself, if I would have even held it this long, I don't think I would have held. It wouldn't have. It would have had the same outcome. Maybe I would have eked out a few more dollars out of it, but if I'm being completely honest with myself, I'm just not there yet to hold on for those kind of pullbacks. So it ripped higher, and it's been strong all day, as you can see. I mean, it's just it's been a pretty good stock to actually go long on. The other trade I took was MU, and it's not going to be on the screen here, but it was a great ABCD pattern. I took it just slightly above VWAP, and what I like about this stock is a little bit higher price stock, but it also has not predictable moves, but you could actually manage your risk much better with something like MU. It was a fairly stress-free trade. I once again got out too soon, and it ripped up for another maybe 20 25 cents or so. So that would have been something to write home about as far as profit for the day. But you know what? All of this is a learning opportunity. But one of the things that I wanted to highlight here, more importantly, and this is just from an education standpoint, you can see that I took some of these trades here on the simulator, and they were just more of mock-ups, if you will. I just wanted to see what was going to happen to the stock. As you can see, it was holding pretty good support here at the close of previous day close. It came above it, and then it would test it, and then it would just get bought back up on the offers. Same thing here. It would come back down, and then it would get bought back up. And remember, this is on the 5-minute chart. So one of the things that I was really focusing on is to see, okay, what was going to be the price action on the tape to see, if it's going to be a good buy opportunity, because something had to give. Either it was going to pop up, or it was just going to sell off because it's just not going to stay here. I mean, it's still relatively early on in the morning. So I took it for the long because I was noticing that it was eking up, and all the offers were being bought up, and there wasn't too much strength on the bid side. So as you can see, it popped up to about 27 or 28.10, 28.12 or so for a good profit. If I would have taken that on the real, then I would have been really happy because obviously it would have been a good profit. But like I mentioned, all this is a learning opportunity. I feel like today I've made a step, in the right direction as far as my trading career, just to gather more knowledge. And this is going to be a true challenge for myself because it really is, like trying to eat an elephant one bite at a time. I mean, nobody's going to master the markets. I realize that, but I firmly believe that given time and just given time, that I will get a better understanding and be more comfortable with my entries and my exits because I know beforehand what I'm looking for, and more importantly, what I'm looking to get out. So small profit, $14. I mean, like I said, with the commissions, it's going to be a net loss. But I'll take a net loss where I've really learned something, as opposed to taking huger losses like I have in the past, and really have just been more or less guessing. I like where this is headed, and yeah, happy Friday, and I will see you all next week. Take care.